is, please call off the strike. All the issues, all their problems, they can address to the Antony Committee, and we shall ensure that their concerns are protected and they need not feel threatened by anyone by the bifurcation of the state of Andhra Pradesh. I would also request them that we have to work together in the best interest of the all regions of Andhra Pradesh and see that the all-round development of all areas takes place. The CWC also has pointed out that the concerns of all the backward areas of Rayalaseema and Andhra would be given a package. As far as the issue of employment and the issue of education, I would like to point out, aren't students from all over the country studying in Delhi? Aren't the students of all over India studying in Hyderabad or in Mumbai? I would like to point out that in a democratic, free country like India, every citizen of this country has a right to do business in any part of the country, and therefore I would request all students, all government employees, all NGOs to please try to understand that the Congress party has taken a decision after talking to all the political parties and after almost a consensus on the bifurcation of the state. The Congress Working Committee has finally taken decision. So therefore, people may say one thing and do the other thing, but the Congress party, which is the party which has always stood by its commitment, took a stand only after a detailed discussion and deliberation with all concerned.
Sir, Y.S. Jagannath Reddy resigned and Y.S. Vijayalakshmi also resigned just now.
Well, I saw that. I can only say and appeal to the YSR party also that the bifurcation of the state of Andhra Pradesh was initiated when YSR was the CLP leader of the Congress party in 99. He was also a party to the manifesto which we released in 2004. He was also a party when we went into an alliance with TRS. He was also a party to his statement made in the floor of the House. So therefore, it is a commitment which Congress party had made. It was a commitment made by the duly elected CLP leader of the Congress party. The Congress party has always held YSR in the highest esteem. He was a dynamic leader, and this country has lost a very dynamic, progressive leader in YSR. So therefore I would urge upon his family to understand that if the state has been bifurcated and the issue of Telangana has been resolved, it is a continuation of his effort for the creation of the state of Telangana.
Sir, many
CM and Deputy CM quarreling each other and
No, there is no quarrel.
But your
There
is
is
not respecting CWC.
he has never challenged the CWC resolution. I have seen the press statement. I have seen his press conference. He has always said that the issues which arise out of this bifurcation of the state should be resolved, which I think is a logical stand which Chief Minister has taken.
Sir, TDP says Antony committee is only a party committee, sir. And we need a committee from the central government. That is
No,
what he said.
there is no question of any action against the Chief Minister.
explanation.
No explanation. He has spoken to me and I am quite satisfied.
Sir, TDP says Antony committee is only a party committee. We want a government committee. That is what
Who said?
TDP is saying so, sir.
I would like to remind Chandrababu Naidu that we have got the consent letter of the TDP where they have demanded the separate state of Telangana. He can go back on his word. The Congress party cannot go back on his word.
Sir, you said Antony committee will work for a compromising formula. Sir, Antony committee will work for a compromising formula.
Sir, why is cabinet asking?
The process of Telangana creation is the responsibility of the Government of India, and the due process will go on.
Why cabinet? Why cabinet? Why cabinet?
Will it go simultaneously? Government and
There is no question of simultaneously or without that. The the CWC has taken a stand, the UPA has unanimously taken a stand, and now it depends on the Government of India to start the process. Thank you.
How much time the Antony committee